Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of July the 6th to the 12th over at Walgreens, and including 61-cent Palmolive. Do I have your attention? And this is a deal that's going to be in store, and it's a deal everybody should do because who doesn't like cheap Palmolive? We also got on Wednesday a lot of these boosters. I think the majority of them are for online, but we're definitely going to take a peek at those probably on Sunday and Monday. The best way to utilize them, and these are your digital boosters. And many of us have been getting paper boosters printing, such as a 10 back when you spend 45. And I will definitely look at that in my Sunday video. Now, please treat this video as a preview. The full ad, along with all of the digital coupons, will be published on Sunday the 6th. Usually it's first thing in the morning, so let's just remember that. If you could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, it really helps me and the channel out. If you could take a second and like the video, I would be so grateful. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, so the first piece of business we're going to talk about is Palmolive dish soap. That's $2.49, $3 reward when you purchase two with a 75-cent digital coupon. Grabbing two of those dish soaps for $4.98, subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $4.23. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $1.23 for the two or 61 cents per dish soap. That is a stock up price. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but OMG, that's quite fantastic. If Suavitel has a 75-cent coupon, it's going to make it a much better deal to grab one Palmolive, one Suavitel, but we will not know till Sunday morning the digital coupon story. I think it's definitely going to be for Palmolive, but we'll have to double, triple check. If we have one for both Suavitel and Palmolive, it's a much better deal. The next super deal that we have is with the Dove shampoo. That's buy one, get one 50% off. $4 reward when you buy two with a 4 off 2 digital coupon. So grabbing two of them on a BOGO 50% off at like $6 and some change, that's going to be $9.73. Subtracting your coupon, you're going to pay $5.73. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $1.73 for two or 86 cents per shampoo. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. The Colgate deal is back. We have a $5. It's usually the $5 off of the $5 product. So that's what we're going to have to go with for this little deal. And it'll probably be a $5 off of two. $4 register reward when you purchase two. So grabbing two of these $5 toothpaste for $10, subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $5. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for two or 50 cents per fancy toothpaste. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Controversial, but this deal is still ongoing for the 350 Crest or Oral-B products. $5 reward when you purchase three, 5 off of 3 digital coupon. And I think that's the coupon from last week. So grabbing three of these products for $10.50, subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $5.50, get back a $5 register reward, making it 50 cents for the three or 16 cents per. You're doing this without a booster again. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay the $5 out of pocket to earn that register reward. If the register reward is not printing for you, because I know a lot of people had issues with this specific deal last week, ask a manager kindly for help. If they will not help you, or if you cannot get through Catalina or customer service, simply return the items back to the store. If it's tagged that you should be receiving a reward for buying said products, they should honor it. Palmolive for $5. $2 reward when you purchase three with the 5 off. I believe it's going to be a 5 off of 3. Grabbing three of the cheaper Pantenes at $5 a pop, that's $15. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $10. Get back a $2 register reward, making it $8 for the three or $2.66 per unit. You're doing this deal with no booster. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Absolutely delighted to see this deal back. $5.99 Irish Spring bath care and the soft soap, $2 reward when you purchase two. Grabbing two of these at $5.99 a pop, that's $11.98. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $7.98. Get back a $2 register reward, making it $5.98 for the two or $2.99 per Irish Spring or soft soap. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Another super body wash deal is with the Dial 2 for $7, and we have a 2 off 2 digital coupon, so it'll make it $5 for the 2 or $2.50 per Dial body wash. And now we have Listerine for $5. This was a repeat from last week's deal. $5 reward when you purchase 2. So grabbing 2 of the $5 ones, it's going to be 10. A lot of us have a 2 off 2 digital coupon. Subtracting that, you'll pay 8. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $3 for the 2 or $1.50 per Listerine. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. These are the smaller ones that you could put into any travel carry-on for traveling. It's fantastic. The Gillette Labs for $14.99. We currently have a $5 off of one of those, plus a $5 register reward when you purchase one. Grabbing one of the Gillette Labs for $14.99, subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $9.99. Get back a $5 register reward. The final price point is $4.99 for a razor that's $15. Again, it's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Let's talk about the honorable mentions, and there is a lot in this video. The first is the 2 for $10 for the Downy Laundry Care. This is the fancier one, like Love in Paris, Date in Kyoto. I'm interested already, so that's a very good price point. Free 15-pack of the Nice Water with the purchase of these drip drops. Is it going to buy one? Do you have to buy 2? What is the buy-in for that? I know a lot of people enjoy those in the summertime. And a $10 Walgreens gift card when you purchase any 2 participating Pampers products. What is the list? Is it the cheaper stuff? Is it the box diapers? How can we get this to work? That is the question. And the L'Oreal Elvive, it would be $7 for 2 of these shampoos, which is no great shakes. But will IBOTTA or one of the rebate apps have something for us on this shampoo, or will something else more magical appear? We don't know yet. Buy 1, get 2 free on the Complete Home food storage bags. You're going to pay I think it's $2.79 for the 3 or 93 cents per box of 20. That is a stock-up price, and these are quality bags. It's the only ones we use in our household. And the buy 1, get 2 for free on the trash bags, also the Walgreens generic. I use these for my cats just to clean up their little messes. Absolutely fantastic. You're paying $4.99 for the first and get 2 for free. So it's a really smart buy. Buy 1, get 1 free DiGiorno pizzas. Will Ibotta or Fetch maybe have a rebate for this? Yes or no? I don't know, but if you want to stock up on some cheap pizzas, this is definitely the way to do it over at Walgreens. We also have the buy 1, get 1 free promotion on the 8 count of the Kellogg's Pop-Tarts and the 8 packs of the Ballpark Franks. It is that time to make hot dogs, or if you want a quick breakfast with those Pop-Tarts, just an idea. And then our final honorable mention is the $1.99 for these larger 11 by 14 posters. It's valid through the 8th, which is Tuesday, using the code 2poster. It's usually 1 per store card, but if you want to get a larger print, make it happen, guys. That's it for this video. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.